The Jamaican Diaspora publication highlights all aspects of Jamaican culture on the island and worldwide. Stay in touch, stay connected. For more information, visit JamaicanDiaspora.com. Insurance brokers. Insurance brokers will cover all your insurance needs. Call 773-338-2886. That's 773-338-2886. Auto, bond, business, home, liability, special events. We've got you covered. Call 773-338-2886. That's 773-338-2886. Jamaican American Club. The Jamaican American Club is a not-for-profit organization. For more information, visit JamaicanAmericanClub.org. That's JamaicanAmericanClub.org.
Hi, my name is Camille Thompson, and I am representing the Multiple Myeloma Awareness Foundation on behalf of Denise Hay, who is my aunt, and she also has multiple myeloma. And essentially what we're doing here is to increase awareness. It's a rare disease, so if you want to learn more, just look up multiple myeloma on Google, and there should be a website there, and you should go check it out and see and learn more about it. But essentially what we're doing here is to increase awareness and allow everyone to have a good time at Sounds of Caribbean. So again, my name is Camille Thompson. Stop by our booth.
Hi, this is Tosh with Mama's Jerkin Things, owned by Sharon McCarthy. Come check us out. We have the best jerky chicken in town. You can reach us on Facebook, Mama's Jerkin Things. Come join us.
All right, we're live at the Chicago Caribbean Carnival Festival. We're here with my man. How you doing, man?
All right, Ja Will.
Ja Will. Take our pictures every time. So what do you do? What you got here?
I got a lot of Caribbean stuff, man, that you probably can't find nowhere. I have a location. I'm located at 332 East 75th. I have two locations. They're right next to each other. I have a snack shop too that I sell like a lot of snacks from Jamaica, from the Caribbean, stuff like that. I've been in business for 9 years now.
9 years.
Yeah.
How's business do?
Business is going because I'm still open. A lot of people is closed right now,
You know,
shut
because
down.
of the pandemic, you know, you kind of held up.
Oh yeah. I still held up, man. Thanks to the grace of God, man. You know what I'm saying? We're still here. We're still doing it. People still look forward for us to be here because you know what I'm saying? We have stuff that they can't get nowhere. So they depend on us.
I see you got the Belize flag, you got Jamaican flag, you got what is this? Panama? No, this is
And then they got all the Caribbean islands you could think of, even at least one stuff from any Caribbean island you could think of. I have it. You know what I'm saying? Yeah.
So if somebody's not out here and they want to get in touch with you, you got like a phone number, an email, a website, you know, they could link you up and then come to your store.
Yeah, simple. My store is really easy to find. It's on 75th and Calumet. It's 332 East 75th. I have two locations. It's 332 and 330. They're right next to each other. If you guys familiar with Brown Sugar Bakery, I'm right next to Brown Sugar Bakery. You know what I'm saying? Black-owned bakery, that's everybody known. I'm right there. You can find me, grab anything you want. Only days I don't open is Sundays and Mondays.
Got you.
Okay, so Tuesday to Saturday I'm there. Okay, from 12 o'clock to 8 p.m.
Got you.
Yes, sir.
Y'all will. Pick up yourself, man.
All right, much love.
Yes, man.
Appreciate it.
Every
Thanks a
time.
lot.